Hey there! Struggling with getting a refund on Temu and nothing seems to be working? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many Temu users have encountered issues when it comes to refunds. Today, I'm here to walk you through effective solutions on how to fix refund on Temu not working so you're no longer stuck in refund limbo. Step 1. Verify your purchase detail. Before diving into more complex solutions, let's start simple. First, make sure you have all your purchase details intact. Double check the order number, transaction ID, and date of purchase. Ensure that you're still eligible for a refund according to Temu's refund policy. Having this information at your fingertip can help smooth the conversation with customer support should you need to contact them. Step 2. Check your refund request status. Sometimes refunds could be delayed due to processing time. Log into your Temu account to check the status of your refund request. Navigate to the order history section and select the specific order to see if there are any updates on your refund. Understanding the current status might give you a clearer idea of what's happening with your refund and whether you need to take further action. Step 3. Contact Temu customer support. If there's no significant progress on your refund request, it's time to reach out to Temu's customer support. Prepare a detailed explanation of the issue, including your purchase detail. Contact customer support via their official channels such as email, online chat, or phone, and explain that your refund on Temu is not working. Be persistent but remain polite and patient to get the best possible assistance. Step 4. Explore alternative refund options. If reaching out to Temu customer support hasn't resolved your situation, it's time to explore alternative refund options. Some payment methods offer buyer protection services. For example, if you paid via credit card, contact your card issuer to initiate a chargeback. Similarly, platforms like PayPal provide dispute resolution services. Reach out to them with all necessary documentation to dispute the transaction and potentially secure a refund. Step 5. Monitor your account. Once you've taken all necessary steps, keep a close eye on your account for any update. Monitor both your Temu account and your bank or payment account to ensure the refund is processed correctly. Keep records of all interactions with customer support and any correspondence related to the refund for future reference. There you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to fix refund on Temu not working. By following these steps, you can effectively address and resolve refund issues. Remember, persistence is key. In complex situations, exploring alternative refund options can make a significant difference. Always ensure to stay informed about Temu's policies and updates, which might simplify the refund process in the future. Chasing a refund can be a frustrating process, but with these methods at your disposal, you're well prepared to tackle any obstacle. Good luck, and may your refund woes become a thing of the past.